Laravel is a popular framework for building websites and web applications. It's an open-source framework, meaning it is free to use and modify. Laravel is known for its elegant syntax and developer-friendly tools. It simplifies common tasks in web development, making the process faster and more enjoyable. Many developers choose Laravel for its ability to handle complex projects with ease. Whether you're building a small website or a large-scale application, Laravel provides the tools and structure you need. Laravel is built on top of PHP, a widely used scripting language. If you're familiar with PHP, you'll find it easy to get started with Laravel. Laravel's popularity has grown significantly in recent years. Its active community and comprehensive documentation make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers. Laravel's popularity stems from its impressive suite of features designed to streamline web development. One standout feature is the MVC, or Model View Controller architecture. This pattern separates the application's logic from the presentation layer, making code more organized and maintainable. Another powerful feature is Eloquent ORM, which stands for Object Relational Mapper. Eloquent provides a simple and elegant way to interact with databases. Instead of writing complex SQL queries, you can use Eloquent's intuitive methods to perform database operations. This makes database management more efficient and less error-prone. Laravel also excels in templating with its Blade templating engine. Blade allows you to create dynamic views using simple yet powerful syntax. With Blade, you can easily embed PHP code within your HTML, making your views more dynamic and data-driven. Security is paramount in web development, and Laravel addresses this with robust security features. It provides built-in protection against common web vulnerabilities, such as cross-site scripting and SQL injection. Getting started with Laravel is easier than you might think. To install Laravel, you'll need to have a local development environment set up on your computer. This typically includes a web server like Apache or Nginx, PHP, and a database system like MySQL or PostgreSQL. Once your environment is ready, you can install Laravel using Composer, a dependency manager for PHP. Simply open your terminal or command prompt and run the Composer command to create a new Laravel project. Composer will download Laravel and its dependencies, setting up the basic structure of your application. After installation, you can access your Laravel application by navigating to the project directory in your web browser. You should see the Laravel welcome page indicating that your installation was successful. Section 4. Navigating the Laravel landscape. Understanding the folder structure. Understanding the folder structure of a Laravel project is crucial for efficient development. When you open your Laravel project, you'll find several folders, each serving a specific purpose. The app folder is where the core code of your application resides, containing models, controllers, and other logic. The resources folder houses your views, which are responsible for the presentation layer of your application. The public folder is the web root of your application, containing assets like CSS, JavaScript, and images. The routes folder is where you define the routes for your application, which determine how URLs are handled. The config folder contains configuration files for your application, such as database credentials and environment settings. Section 5. Your first Laravel route. A hands-on example. Let's create a simple route to see Laravel in action. Open the routes/web.php file. This file is where you define the routes for your web application. Let's add a route that displays a welcome message, route get, function, return, welcome to my Laravel application. This code defines a route for the root URL. When you visit the root URL of your application, this route will be executed. The part defines a closure, which is simply an anonymous function. In this case, the closure returns the text, "Welcome to my Laravel application." Save the web.php file and visit the root URL of your application in your web browser. You should see the welcome message displayed on the page. Section 6. Exploring the vast world of Laravel. What to learn next? Congratulations on creating your first Laravel route. You've now dipped your toes into the world of Laravel development. There's much more to explore in the Laravel universe. You can delve deeper into Eloquent ORM to master database interactions, harness the power of Blade for dynamic views, and learn how to build robust and secure web applications. Laravel's official documentation is an invaluable resource for learning and mastering the framework. The documentation is well-structured, comprehensive, and packed with examples. Engage with the vibrant Laravel community through forums, online communities, and social media. Learning a new framework like Laravel opens up a world of possibilities for building amazing web applications. Embrace the journey and enjoy building something